Hey guys! So I have been meaning to do this video forever and talk about my curly hair routine. Today was a wash day and this is my hair dry and the scrunched out the crunch already. So I'm not going to do a full video of everything I do to my hair because A, it would be really long and I haven't quite gotten everything set up to take you guys in the shower with me. Awkward. So I switched to the Curly Girl method about mid-January. So I've been doing it for about 5 months now and I really have learned a lot, and I've had some really terrible hair days, but then I have some good hair days. So I thought I would discuss the products I am using, and I forgot one. The first thing and the longest product that I have used is the WYN Cleansing Conditioner, and I have been using this for about 10 years, even before I was on the Curly Girl method. I just find for my hair that if I wash it every single day or even every second day or third day, it dries out my hair a lot. And so I started using this and only washing about once a week about 5 years ago or so. So I still use this. This is Curly Girl approved. It's the WYN. It's expensive and it's a subscription deal. So there are a bunch. I have another one I'm going to try as far as a co-wash or cleansing conditioner. So I did get this one to try, but we'll see. I might stick with the WYN. I've been using it a long time. So when I do wash using the Curly Girl method, I am using a sulfate-free, paraben-free shampoo. So basically a gentle shampoo. This is a more moisturizing, it's a hydrating, clarifying, and this is like $8 a bottle. It's pretty cheap. I like it. I've had this for, I don't know, a few months, and this is all that I've used. So clearly I don't use that much shampoo. So I did do a wash day today. I deep conditioned my hair, and I haven't really settled on a deep conditioner, so I'm not going to share the one that I used with you yet. We'll see how it does today. I do have one from this brand. This is the Giovanni hair care line, and I am liking their shampoo to clarify. So I wash my hair, I deep condition it, I rinse out all the deep conditioner, and then I put in a conditioner, and I just got a sample of this. This is the Innersense Organic Beauty Color Radiance Daily Conditioner, and I really like this. So I put this in after I deep condition, wash out all the deep conditioner, or just on a normal in-between day if I'm just doing the cleansing conditioner. I put this in, I rinse it about halfway out and leave the rest in, and I'm really liking that. It's leaving my hair really moisturized, giving it a lot of body and curl definition. And I really want to try some more from this brand, so I'm excited about it. Okay. So then in the shower with my hair soaking wet, with the conditioner still in it, I am putting in, I'm using this is the Giovanni Cosmetics LA Natural Styling Gel. So this is a firm hold gel. And so I put this in the shower. I just kind of clump my hair together and put it on until it coats every bit of my hair in the shower with super wet hair. And then if I need more moisture as I'm doing that, then I will even spray it while I'm in the shower, adding this with just, I got this at IKEA. It's a really fine mist spray bottle and I really like it. I do that, and then I put a shower cap on, finish up my shower, dry off, get out, get dressed, do whatever I need to do. And then I use this is just a flour bag towel, you know, the dish towels. I use one of these to scrunch out any excess moisture. I don't take a lot of the moisture out. And then I scrunch some more of this into my hair to get it really, really coated with the gel. So I do gel twice because I tend not to be able to get a really good gel cast unless I use this. And what the gel cast is, it's just a coating of gel over all of your hair to help your hair not be so frizzy and give you good definition. And then I diffuse, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my diffusing. Okay, so got my makeup on. I'm gonna take out these clips carefully. It's still a little damp, you guys. My hair takes forever to dry. So, dang it. Okay. I'm not gonna scrunch it out for a little while I let it finish drying, but it is almost dry. Okay, so when I diffuse, my hair takes forever to diffuse, so like 20 minutes of diffusing. Generally my hair isn't like totally dry even, so then I let it continue to dry while I do my makeup and get ready, make my coffee, whatever else I need to do. And usually even then my hair is not even quite dry, so usually I make it to work before I scrunch my hair, so I didn't show you that in this video, but this is what it looks like after I have scrunched out that gel cast. And it gives my hair some body. It does have some frizz. I'm still learning. I'm hoping to have less frizz the more I go on, but I really, really do like the body. And having a little bit of frizz tends to give me a little bit more volume than no frizz, I have noticed. Hey guys, so this is my final step. So when I get home from work, I pineapple my hair on top of my head so that the curl doesn't get smushed when I go to bed. And I just use one of these little plastic doohickeys that doesn't leave a crease in my hair. And when I get ready to go to bed, I take this silk scarf that I have and I just fold it in half so it's a triangle. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip my hair forward, and then I twist it over. I don't want to tie my hair in it. So I just do a twist right here and then bring it back and tie it in the back. And this is so that I don't kind of smush my hair when I sleep, and it doesn't, I don't move around and cause it to like grate on my sheets or on my pillow or anything. And this is how I sleep so that I can get good second day hair. Just like that. So that's it. That's all. I'm gonna go to bed. I'll show you guys tomorrow what I do to refresh, and that will be it. So that's it. That is my curly hair routine right now. If you have any questions, drop them below. I'm happy to answer any questions. And also, if there's any other videos, I know I didn't do like a full shower video, but I thought for this first one, I would just chat about the products I use and what I've been doing.